Hey, hello everyone. I'm Anton from Hong Kong, Som Kitchen show chef. Today I will make a dish. Is traditional local dishes. We call stir-fried clams with Chinese white wine. It's really tasty and then healthy. We can start now. Now we'll open the fire to medium heat. And then we put some olive oil. We will put garlic. Shallot. We'll cook a little bit golden brown. And then we will add onion, the onion we cook until tender, soft. So you need to already stir fry the ingredients, otherwise it's really easy to burn. So now the onion will soft. We will put Chinese white wine, and then fish sauce. After we do little bit, we can add the clams inside. After you put the clam, you can put little bit salt and pepper. After the season, you can cover the clams, cook 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, we can put on the fire and then open the lid. And then you will see when it's cooked, the shell will be open. When you see the shell is open, you can put on the plate. Now, when you see we have something clams is not open, you can reduce the sauce and then we'll cook the other 1 or 2 minutes. So the shell, the other shrimp will open. Okay, after we do the sauce, you can put on the plate. And then last moment, we'll put the spring onion on top.